Hi everyone, this is Lena from Winvo Realty. I am standing in front of my listing, 153 Ganymede Drive in Austin, Texas. And this is a very quiet, nice community which is very close to the high technology company called Apple. Apple Campus 1 and 2 is about 2 minutes drive from this location. To get to the main mall is about 5 minutes drive, and to downtown probably about 15 minutes. So the location is really nice. Even though the house is about 25 years old, the floor plans seem a little bit old, the style, but it's all updated inside. So this house is 1 story, 2-car garage, and has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, over 1,400, about 1,500 square feet. Really nice backyard, private, even though it has a wall that is blocking away from the street, but that's Palmer Lane. This is where you get to Apple and to the domain and downtown and everywhere. So please follow me toward my new listing in Austin, Texas. And let's walk in here, check out. All right, let me see. When you walk into the house, there's a little closet right here, or the mud room, to put your coat and jacket. On the left, there is a master bedroom, which we're gonna go in there, and then the garage. All right. So here is a 1 story. The ceiling is about 10 foot over there and around 8 over here. So average about 9 foot. I mean, in 2000, this is how people are building the house. There is at least a fireplace over here, and the wood floor is wood-like floor. Luxury vinyl has been updated. Granite countertop. So this section is the kitchen, and it's open to the family room with the fireplace. There's also a sliding door that gets into the patio, and the patio is updated by the owner, which is also covered, and it has tile. It has tile and also a double door to get into the backyard. So for family who is interested in cooking outdoor, or you have pet, if you want to build a home for pets outside, this is the perfect home for that situation. All right, so the house is coming with refrigerator, microwave. It also has a new dishwasher, and then new orange ranch, and really nice food. Okay, and here's a little pantry, little cute fun little house. All these little cabinets already built in, drawers and space for storage up here. And then you can see here, there's some glass door that you can decorate with your accessories or bowls and glasses or wines up there would be really nice. Now let's go visit the 2 small bedroom and a bathroom on this side. Okay. So if you walk in here, the entire house has vinyl wood floor. Okay, and it all has fan. This one has a room wide window. It gives you a lot of natural lights, and you see all these updated doors and closets. Really nice and modern, all updated. So this is the first bedroom, and the second bedroom is next to it. Before we go there, here is the bathroom, which is a share. There is standing shower and a little vanity sink, really cute. And then the second bedroom is on the right. So this is how you get to the master bedroom from the entryways. Here's the master bedroom. It's pretty spacious. You know, nowadays that they're building new homes, they probably give you this much space for the master bedroom. I think it's decent for a 1,500 square feet home. There's big windows, and also ceiling fans. Everything is ready. Walk into this master bedroom. I mean, it's not really a small house, but it does have everything. It has double vanity, and it has a private toilet in there, and also 2 closets and standing shower. Okay, this is the first area for the closet or storage, and the second one is over here with I don't know where the light is, but yeah, there's the light. But that closet, and also there is a linen closet in the master as well. Okay. So thank you for watching my videos and my touring. If you are looking to move to Austin, especially to work for Apple, the Apple campus is like 1 minute away. and then 2 minutes away from the new campus as well. There's Thai restaurants, there's Vietnamese restaurant, Chinese, Thai, sushi. Everything is about 5 minutes away. This is a great location for people who move in to work for high technology company. Besides Apple, there's other companies in this area as well. So the main mall, the shopping, like a really large outdoor shopping center is also 5 minutes away. Hospitals, schools, everything is in this place. So if you wanted to check out more information about the pricings, contact Lena Vo at 512-888-8645. And I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas with Winvo Realty. Thank you, and hope you contact me soon.